Good morning, student. This is your math workbook of class 6. Now, yesterday we have done worksheet 10.2. Now we will start 10.3. This is MCQ exercise and all have 4 options. So first to read the question carefully and find out mark the correct answer for the given 4 option. So first is find the distance traveled by Riya if she takes 4 rounds of a square park of side 35 meter. So find the distance traveled by Riya if she takes 4 rounds of a square park of side. So we have to find the perimeter of a square and multiply by 4. So 35 multiply by 4, 140, and multiply by 4 again because 4 round. So 4 is 16, carry 1, 5, 560. So option B is correct. Now second, find the perimeter of a regular pentagon with each side measuring 7 cm. So regular pentagon means each side are equal and pentagon have 5 sides. So 7 multiply by 5. 7 multiply by 5 is 35. So option C 35 cm is correct. Now third question. A piece of string is 48 cm long. What will be the length of each side if the string is used to a form of rectangular octagon? So regular octagon means 8 side. So we divide by 8 to 48. So option B 6 is correct answer. Now question number 4. An athlete takes 8 rounds of a rectangular ground 40 meter long and 15 meter wide. Find the total distance covered by him. So first we find the perimeter of rectangular ground. So 40 multiply 40 and 15. So the perimeter is 2 multiply L in plus B. So we add 40 plus 15, 55 and multiply by 2, 110. Now the 8 round. So multiply by 8. So 880. So option D is correct. 880 meter. Now question number 5. Find the perimeter of a rectangle with side measuring 8 cm, 7 cm, 10 cm. So we know to find the perimeter we add all side. So 8 plus 7 15 plus 10 25. So option C is correct, 25 cm. Now the question number 6. The perimeter of a rhombus is 56 cm. If each side is half, what will the perimeter now? So the perimeter of rhombus 56. If its side is half, so 28 because the half of 56 is 28. So option D is correct. Because 56 and divide by 4. So if each side is half, so divide by 2, 28. Because when the side of rhombus is half, then the perimeter also half. Question number 7. The length of a regular plot of a land is twice its breadth. If the perimeter of plot is 300, find its area. The length of regular plot of a land is twice its breadth. Suppose length is x, then breadth of 2x is equal to 300. Perimeter of 300. So 2 multiply L into B. So 2 over 1 3x, 3 2 is 6x, is equal to 300, x is equal to 300 upon 6, so 50. So length is 50, width is 100. So the area is 50 multiply 100, 5,000. So option B is correct. 5,000 meter square. Question number 8. A tile measure 10 centimeter multiply 10 centimeter. How many such tiles are required to cover a from 4 meter into 2.5 meter? So here is given in centimeter and here is given is meter. So first we convert meter to centimeter, then we multiply 10 by 10 and 400 multiply 250, then divide by 100 to multiply of this. So the answer is A, 1000. Now question number 9. The area of a rectangle is 108 meter square if its length is 12 centimeter. The ratio of its breadth to its length. The area of rectangle 108 if length 12. So we divide by 108 to 12. 108 upon 12. So 9. Ratio is breadth to its length. So 9 upon 12. 3 3 9, 3 4 12. So 3 ratio 4. Option B is correct. Option 3 is 4 is correct answer. Question number 10. If the length of a rectangle is double the area of the new rectangle. If the length of rectangle is double, then area of new rectangle. So the area is also double. Because the length of rectangle is double, then area also double. Question number 11. In figure, a square of side 1 centimeter is joined to a square of side 4 centimeter. The perimeter of new figure. So we know it is 4 and 1 centimeter. Then the perimeter is the length of boundary. So 4 plus 4 plus 5, 3 1 1. So add all 18 centimeter. Option D is correct for 18. 12. Following figures are formed by joining 6 unit square. Which figure has the smallest perimeter? Option 1. This is the smallest perimeter. Question number 13. A square sharp park ABCD of side 100 meter has two equal rectangle. Flower bed each of dimension 10 multiply 5. Length of boundary the remaining park. So it's 400 meter. Option B is correct. So to find the, because 100 and 100 multiply of 400, the remaining part also 400 meter. A square sharp park shape ABCD side 100 meter has two equal rectangle. Flower bed each of dimension 10 multiply 5 meter. So here is 10 and 5. Length of the boundary of the remaining park. So this is also 400. Question number 14. The side of a square is 10 centimeter. How many times will the new perimeter become a side of square double? So it is 2 times. A. It is also double. Option A is correct. The last question of this worksheet. Two regular hexagon of perimeter 30 centimeter each are joined as shown in figure. The perimeter of the new figure is 50 meter because the regular hexagon of perimeter is 30 centimeter each. Because 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 5 centimeter each, and 5 5 is common. This is common, so it is not count 5 and 5. The perimeter of new 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40 45 50, so it is 50 centimeter. Option D is correct. So student, 10.3 is done. Next video we will start 10.4. Thank you.